Hey, Nate from Brooklyn Music Factory.
Peira from Brooklyn Music Factory.
Nice to see you all. Uh, 7 days ago, we paused lessons and classes for a couple weeks while we all tried to organize ourselves and, much like you all, tried to figure out what it means to do what we love to do, but from an entirely different environment home. So we've all the faculty and staff here at BMF has been spending like the last 5 days creating kind of amazing resources so that when we begin online lessons on March 30th, that it looks and feels just like, BMF at 600 DeGraw. So that's what we've been up to. And we just wanted to send a quick video to thank you, first of all, for just trusting us. Because we absolutely, like we said on Monday, we really, really, really lean on you as much as you lean on us, just for our sense of community and who we are. And we know what we do so well here at BMF in terms of just bringing joy to music education, but having to do it in this new world has been new for us. So we, number one, thank you for that. Thank you for just all of the support you've shown us. Secondly, thank you for all the feedback you've given. We sent out a survey earlier this week and we had nearly 200 families write us back with all kinds of like really awesome ideas. Not only just showing us support, but suggesting ways that we could recreate what we've been doing in the community room or in the classroom online. So thank you for that. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, and Nate, I've been having a blast doing these Facebook Live sessions.
Yeah.
It's so funny because at first it was terrifying to me because I've never pressed a Facebook Live button in my life.
Right. Nor had Jason and I.
Right, exactly. And you press that live button and you know it's going out there somewhere. And then almost immediately I started getting just the most wonderful comments. And my daughter had joined me for the Facebook Live session. It was a songwriting session. And next thing you knew, we were connected to, 30, 40 Brooklyn Music Factory families and beyond out there who were communicating with us, writing a song with us, even though we could not hear them. They wrote a melody, they wrote lyrics, they wrote chord changes, and
So awesome.
it was really awesome. And not only was it super fun for us, but it was also really therapeutic. And me and my daughter both came out of it feeling much lighter and happier and connected to the world and couldn't wait till the next one. So thank you all for participating in that. And we've got a whole ton of them booked for next week because we're just loving them. So I really hope you can all join us for that.
It's so, like, you totally hit it on the head. Like when Jason and I have been doing live songwriting at 5, like kind of a blam plus a song. And again, we really have no idea what we're doing when we push the live button. Like we just, but what we do know how to do is exactly what you described. Write a speed song and do it in a really fun way. And we've finished them and it's been absolutely like the highlight of our day.
Yeah.
And I think that comes mostly from you all, because so many of you are showing up and writing comments and then sending us photos of the rhythm sheets or the lyrics. And then we even, like yesterday, we got 2 videos back from living room jams, family jams, writing a second or a third flavor verse to our ice cream party song. So I can't wait to see all the different live events that you guys are putting together. It's just so great. So speaking of that, we've also been putting together this awesome resource for you. And this is the last thing I'm going to say. It's called BMFTV. There's going to be some very specific links that you can click in this email where I think Jessica's sending this video. So in there, you'll see like really super fun games from Lena, like a whole song story that's 5 episodes long. You'll see building a song house with Jason. I mean, Jason, of course, any one of us would join any class.
I will build that song house with Jason.
Yes, I will definitely be building the song house. And so should you. Plus you've got like Sergio's doing this super, like so fun, like a side of Sergio you've never seen, doing like an A minor pentatonic exercise for all you guitar players. And then also a whole bunch of rhythm games. So BMF TV, it's just basically a web page that's full of amazing little music lessons that you can sit down as a family or just any music student ages 4 all the way up can sit down and really have like hours of awesome education. So there's that. So look out for that. That'll hopefully help you out through the next week. And then last thing I'm going to say, and Peira, if you got anything else to add, feel free, but I want to reiterate what we shared on Monday, or was it Friday? I don't know, when we sent that first video.
I think it was Friday, but it's a little bit of a blur.
Yeah, seems like a long time ago. But the last thing I'm just going to say is like, we just want to be able to help. Like, we're so desperate to be able to do what we love to do and help you all at home, because everybody, my family, your family, Peira, and I mean, you've shared a lot about it. We're just trying to find a new rhythm, right? And I think that like everyone from Greg to Ben to Sergio to Zoe, like everybody just wants to help the way BMF knows how to. So please don't stop joining all of our Facebook Lives. Don't stop letting us know what you need, because that's what we're working on. That's our only purpose here, is to help you in any way we can.
I second that, Nate.
Okay, thank you all. We'll see you soon, and hope to see you on a Facebook Live. Ah!
Thanks so much, everybody. Bye.
Bye.